Hello artists, how are you today? Stephanie Aune, once again coming to you here from the banks of the Trinity River. Ozzy and I are happy you are here. I have my cup of coffee and we are going to go through and review our cool postcards that we did through our Messy Hand Band of Artists Facebook group over on Facebook. Sip of coffee. Slurp. Okay. Oops. I tried to cover addresses and names here. This is from Kimberly. The theme this time was fall or Halloween, and then we also had letters that we were to inspire us. And so, Kisses of Color During Indian Summer in the Southern Tier of New York. So cool. This was by Kimberly, and she actually, put a leaf on here. Awesome. That's pretty cool. It is cool how that turned out. I wonder if you could put crackle paste over a leaf, how that would work. That might be really interesting. Now, this is one that didn't get shown last time. This one was from Amy, and it wasn't included on the last video because it came late. So I wanted to show that. Awesome. Actually, look at how cool that print came out of. I don't know if that's a stencil or what. Great feather. Ooh, you know how much I love the ravens. This is really a great texture. Nice metallic work in there. Great cutting out of the raven. Let's see. This is from Tina Marie. Greetings and salutations. It's brought to you by the letters R and O, ravens and orange. Hope all is well with your world. It is. That is gorgeous. I love that. It's a great face on there too. Thank you so much, Tina. This is awesome. Look at the great layering in here. Harvest moon is glowing. Air is crisp and clear. Autumn winds are blowing. It's my favorite time of year. That is wonderful. This is, did not put a first name. I'm sorry, I don't know. It's from Green Bay. Autumn is the third season of the year when crops and fruits are gathered and leaves fall in the northern hemisphere from September to November, and the southern hemisphere from March to May. That is so great. It reminds me of fruit crates. Isn't that interesting how that just kind of reminds me of that? Oh, I know who did this one. This is Kat Austin. Miss Kat, who is our admin. Thank you again, Kat, for taking care of the postcard exchange, for being our admin, for monitoring the page. You are the absolute best, as well as being a great friend. I truly, truly love your artwork on top of everything else. You are most awesome. Her letter was F. I'm choosing to take the high road. So fabulous fall and funny faces. Glad I didn't get Q. Love you, sister. Oh, thank you so much. That is gorgeous. And everybody is welcome to come join the Messy Hand Band of Artists group over on Facebook. There are a couple of questions that you will have to answer in order to be approved into the group. But they're super simple. Just say, if you watch my videos, and if you could subscribe to my videos if you watch them, that would be even more awesome. Speaking of that, there are about 50% of you that are currently watching my videos that are not subscribed, so it would be awesome if you could do that. This is from Lori, the Autumn Postcard Swap, October 2020, the letter M. What is more autumn than a mouse roasting a marshmallow over an open fire? Oh, that is so cute, Lori. You have a very cute little mouse. And you did a great job with your little guy. He's pretty awesome. And that is a giant marshmallow. That looks really yummy. It does. Let's see. Autumn and all the leaves and all the lives we have lived, and all the lives to be are full of trees and changing leaves. It's a Virginia Woolf quote. I'm sorry I can't read it a little bit better. I think it was more of, it was meant to not be a super stark, I believe. And it's beautiful. The writing is gorgeous. It's a great texture on there. This is from Helly or Telly. Hi, Stephanie. Bright blessings from Ireland. We are just starting to see the leaves change color here. With love. Oh. Ooh, cool stamp, too. Love that. Beautiful. I love the colors. It just feels like fall. And all the leaves here are changing, and it is gorgeous, and it is stunning out. Oh, I love fall. Except for the fact that winter comes, and winter is not my favorite, just because it seems to take forever, and the days are so short. This says, hi, Stephanie. This postcard was inspired by a picture of a local photographer of Marabou, Cape Breton, under the rainbow. I had the letter U. Thanks for all you do. Oh, that is so cool. I love the fact that you took the time to paint. It's from Canada. It's interesting. There's no circle stamp on it. No postmark. It's a great stamp, though. That you painted it by hand. I love that. I love that you guys are pushing yourselves to try to do more of your own hand painting. Not that there's anything wrong with doing collage work whatsoever, but it's great to see you guys kind of pushing your own boundaries. Look at this little fly or little bug. That is awesome. The looks like that was a stencil of some kind, but that looks really like a cool stencil. And the little witches and the Batgirl, pretty awesome. This is from Brenda. Hello, B for bats, W for witches. Enjoy your fall full of riches. Oh, that's awesome. I love stamps, if you can't tell. And the washi tape, look how awesome that is. That's a great border. Thank you so much, Brenda. That is just awesome. Thank you, thank you. Look at how delicious that is. Wow. Doing great line work. The little Van Gogh swirls. Oh, I love it. I love it. It had to take a lot of time to do all of that line work, as well as kind of piecing these papers together underneath. It's really, really unique. Thank you so much. I think that's Velia. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. I'm sorry. This is, the back of this card is vintage Italian. I had a stack of unused postcards from the turn of the century. Oh, nothing turns my crank more than finding a use for something old and forgotten. Isn't that the truth? Isn't that the absolute truth? That's why I love working in the old books. And she says, hoping this card finds you happy and well. Awesome. That is a really cool back. P.S. Scratch Ozzy's ears for me. I will do that. Ozzy was a bad boy this morning, so he's kind of grounded today. We'll see how that goes. But he kind of went off down to the river by himself with his buddy Dylan. The two hoodlums are hanging out together, and they're getting more and more bold. So we had to kind of put a kibosh on that. This is from Carla. I love it, Carla. Look at that. That has to be embossing over the top of this. Or the embossing was put down first, and then the moon was put over the top, and the tree was put over the top. I love that. It's such a delicate pattern. I think it was embossed. It might be a glitter. It looks embossed to me. That's really awesome. Carla says the magic. The magic of an October moon and jack-o'-lantern smile. Happy fall. That's a great sticker too, by the way. Oh, look at that fun stamp. Messy Hands Fall 2020 from Memphis. That is awesome. Thank you so much, Carla. I really appreciate your card. It's beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. C. P. Pumpkins and children, right? Oh, let's see. This is from Renee. Hi, Stephanie. Hoping you're having a wonderful fall season. Pumpkin and costumes. Costumes will soon be appearing. Love your videos. Thank you so much for inspiring so many artists. Well, thank you, Renee. I appreciate it so much. That is a cool, I think that's a sticker. It's really, oh no, it was stamped over the top of the sticker. Cool fishies. Fish stamps are awesome. That is a really fun background too. I dig it. Thank you so much, Renee. I appreciate it. A vase of flowers. So her letter must have been V. This is Sherry. She says, enjoy the changing seasons. Memphis, Tennessee again. Awesome. I'm trying to figure out what that stamp is. Oh, it's an eel. That's an interesting design. It'd be cool to go and design stamps, wouldn't it? That would be a fun thing to do. That is a gorgeous little painting. I love your flower doodles. I love the texture of it. You did a beautiful background on there. It's a great wash of colors. Thank you so much, Sherry. Thank you very much. This is beautiful. You know, I saw a process recently where people were jelly printing with leaves, and I need to go out and get some leaves. I just unfortunately don't have a lot of time to do extra fun things, which is part of why I'm cutting back with my YouTube videos, because I'd like to do more of those projects that I'd want to do. Do not attempt to open. Messy hands. I love that. Oh, my fingernails are dirty again. Oh my goodness. Vexus. That's a cool stamp, isn't it? Start slow, taper off, posto wacko. Certified. I don't know what that word means. You'll have to let me know, Lori, what that word means. But that is some really cool paper. I wonder if you printed that. It's probably a cardstock. It's beautiful, though. Thank you so, so very much. Oh, I love these guys. They're in actually one of my books. I love these two. It is awesome. 31 Days. I had a black cat. His name was Coulter. He was the most awesome kitty in the world. Hello, F for fun in autumn. Enjoy the season. To Steph and Ozzy. That's an awesome stamp. Black cat with the raven. That is super cool. And again, the washi tape border. Love that idea. And that must be a stamp there for a postcard. That's a cool stamp. I'd love to have one of those. That's really awesome. Look at that. And it's so much fun how you went over and, painted over the little guys, enhanced their goggles and stuff. F is for fun. That background is awesome. And you're using contrasting colors. Dig it. You're doing awesome, girl. This is a fun one. Let's see. This is from Jane. It says, gather your nuts. Get well and feel better soon. Thank you so much, Jane, from Indianapolis. That postcard stamp again. I love that. And tulips for the stamp. It didn't have much damage at all through the mail. And, considering that it's a watercolor, it really did last quite well. And Jane, you did a great job with your little fun squirrel. This is really awesome. Completely, 100% love it. That's awesome. Thank you so very, 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 very much. Let's see, we have a little bit of goodies in here. This is from Sharon from Westchester. Oh, that stamp. Look at that stamp. That's cool. Oh, I dig that. That gives me some inspiration. Oh boy. Let's see. Oh, what did you give me here? A light when times are dark. That's a great ATC. I love that. Keep doing a light practice every day. You need the light. You can get in this dark time. No, you're not alone. You are in mine and many other hearts. Remember to feed the light, not the dark. I am embodied. I am empowered. I am ecstatic. Love, Sharon. That's a great saying. Thank you, Sharon. I love that. Remember to feed the light and not the dark. It's hard sometimes, you know? It's very hard sometimes. What is this gorgeousness you sent me? I wish I could show you when you are alone or in darkness, the astonishing. Oh, the astonishing light of your own being. Oh, it's awesome. I wish I could show you when you are alone or in darkness. Look at that image. The astonishing light of your own being. Oh, thank you, Sharon. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. And that's a cool paperclip, too. Yeah, dig it. It's awesome. Thank you, dear. And then we have Diane. This is super cool. She did put this in an envelope so that it didn't get ruined, which is probably, you know, it's a good thing with it being, you know, a painting. It's a really nice, heavyweight card. Love your little apples. It's a perfect fall scene. Yep. She says, hello, Stephanie. The heart of autumn is different from the heat of summer. One ripens apples, the other turns to cider. A is for apple. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. Postage. Oh, I'm sorry. It wasn't in that postage. She had a postage stamp. It didn't go through the mail. Oh my goodness, guys. You know, I am feeling much better these days. The iron infusions have really helped. Unfortunately, when you have such a lack of oxygen to your brain for such a long time, the vertigo was most likely caused by the iron deficiency. It's 99% sure, because if you don't have enough iron, you know, the iron carries, you know, the hemoglobin. It decreases. If you don't have enough iron, you don't get enough oxygen to your brain. This is essentially what happened. So, I'm feeling much better, but I do feel like I'm a little brain damaged still, sadly. These are just so gorgeous, guys. You did such beautiful work. And thank you so much for taking the time to send these to me. I have to apologize to my partners once again. I was very late getting all of my artwork out to you. So, again, my deepest apologies for that. And Kat, that's a really cool girl. She's so awesome. So, everybody, I was going to do this as a live feed like I do with my other ones, but, you know, we have so many issues with our internet up here that it's just much better if I record the video and then post it for you guys. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. Amen. Isn't that the truth? So cool. So cool. Well, once again, everybody, thank you so much for taking the time to make me your artwork and to trade it with me. I truly appreciate it. I hope you all have a great day, and we'll chat soon. Okay, bye-bye.